The September Apple event, when the firm is anticipated to reveal the iPhone 15 series, may take place on September 13th, according to information we received earlier this week. Several of the signs said that, but it seems that they were all mistaken. The actual date of the event may be September 12th instead. This information comes from Mark Gurman, who states in a tweet that there are more and more indications that September 12th will occur. Nevertheless, he adds that things may still potentially change, so this isn't a 100% certainty. In reality, we shouldn't anticipate a definitive confirmation until Apple issues invites to the event, which could not happen for a few more weeks. The iPhone 15 event date is gradually looking to be September 12th, although certainly anything is still possible. In his Power On email earlier this week, Gurman said that the event is most likely to take place on September 12th or 13th. In the meanwhile, carrier insiders told 9to5Mac that the date for the request to forbid employees from taking time off in advance of a significant smartphone event would be September 13th. In any scenario, it's probable that Apple will continue to use its customary schedule for pre-orders and release dates. Accordingly, it's expected that pre-orders will go live on September 15th, a Friday, with the release date set for September 22nd. The release date of September 22nd has been confirmed by several sources, including Gurman, who thinks Apple will introduce the iPhone 15 only in time to record first sales as part of its fourth fiscal quarter. At the September Apple event, the iPhone 15 series is scheduled to be the main revelation, and we anticipate the introduction of the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. The Apple Watch Series 9, Apple Watch Ultra 2, and iPad Mini 7 are all expected to be unveiled with the new phones, according to speculations. The introduction of iOS 17, which just released its 5th developer beta, iPadOS 17, tvOS 17, and watchOS 10 should all occur at the same time as the event. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.